We really should do Algebra 1 and 2, hopefully back to back, but maybe even in the same year. We're seeing more and more students do this, and I want to encourage you to consider that for your family. My name is Amos, Tarfa, Director of LifeSTEM Academy and Learning Institute for Excellence. I want to show you Algebra 1 and 2 and how you can complete both of them in 1 year, thereby increasing your efficiency to get to the college courses or the trade school that you want to get to instead of wasting time. Here we go. One, we have the book right here. It focuses on things like properties of real numbers and equations, linear equations, graphing, again, more linear equations, systems of equations, exponents, polynomials and factoring, quadratics, and we'll get some radicals and rational functions. Here's the thing. You go to Algebra 2 right here, and we cover equations again. We cover linear equations, systems of equations. That's exactly in Algebra 1. We have all these topics, some of which are new, but very few new topics. And so my question is, why not just do all the topics that these two courses have together? Why not do them together and then complete that and then go on and do the topics like conic sections that are occurring for the first time, exponential and logarithmic relations, sequences and series. These are occurring for the first time, and that's okay. Probability and statistics, trig functions, and lastly, trigonometric graphs and identities. Why not do everything they both share in common? Why don't you do equations and do it once and do it well? Graphing, systems of equations, do them well. Why not do that? The things that they do well together. So you're not wasting the students' time. Otherwise, they do homework for solving equations in 1 year, and then the next year they do it again when they do Algebra 2. I really think we need to respect our students' time and help them know how to go back and do the things they haven't mastered. That's fine. But our system is not working, and we're really causing a lot of students to burn out in our American public schools and private schools. So why don't we switch to a model where Algebra 1 and 2 are done together and done well, and then pre-calc, by the way, covers trigonometry. Did you see we had trigonometric identities? Isn't it interesting we teach that again in pre-calc? So why not do Algebra 1 and 2, do it well, and then in pre-calc focus on trigonometry? I think that makes sense. You can also do geometry at the same time you do trig, and that's how we designed our course, which you could sign up if you want, or if you want to look it up, whatever. We have resources that you can check out. Let me know. But here's the deal. I want students to go from basic counting all the way to calculus in the most efficient plan possible without wasting their time, because I want them to focus on why they exist, what is their vision for life, and then ultimately to be who God made them to be. I don't want them to sit in class and then have homework and repeat stuff that they did that they don't need to be doing again if they've mastered it. So let's help our students to master mathematics. I'll be talking about that in the 3rd episode of Education Revolution. I'll be talking about my book, Tools for Mastering Mathematics. Email amostarfa1@gmail.com for more information. Take care and God bless.